Hi, if you want to fix the disk 100% error on your Windows 10 and if you want to fix it easily, then this is the right video for you. Yes guys, this is Ramesh. I'm a PC technician. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the 100% disk full error on your Windows operating system. Okay, if you are watching my video first time, I request you to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon. Guys, we need your support. Without further ado, let's get started. As a first step, you have to click on the Windows search bar and search for services. Click on the services app in the best match result. Then scroll down and find sysmain or system main. Once you found that, right click on that and select properties. Then stop the service. Then select startup type as disabled. Then apply and OK. We have disabled the system main service. Then again find connected device platform services. Once you found that, right click and select properties. Then again stop the service here. Then select startup type as disabled. Then apply and say OK. Then close the window. Friends, now you need to restart your Windows operating system once in order to work this. As a second step, open the File Explorer. If you don't find this, then go to the Windows search bar and search for Explorer. You will find File Explorer, click on that. Then click on this PC, then right click on the local disk C which the OS has installed. Then select Properties. Now select Tools, then select Optimize and make sure the scheduled optimization is off. In the most cases, the scheduled optimization will run in the background and it will cause for the 100% disk errors. So make it switched off. Go to the Change Settings, then untick this and say OK. Now we have switched off the scheduled optimization. Then close the window. Guys, then as a third step, go to the Windows search bar and search for updates. Click on the Windows Update settings. Then if there are any updates available to install, it will show you. So once you found that, you always download the recommended softwares and install. And in most cases, it will help you to fix the disk space 100% usage problem. Once you update your Windows 10, then close the window. And finally, again go to the Windows search bar and search for settings. And open the settings from here, or right click on the Windows icon and select settings. Then select the apps. There you will find the all installed applications on your system. I suggest you uninstall the unwanted applications from here. To uninstall that, for example, I want to uninstall the 3D viewer which is no longer needed in my case. Click on that and uninstall. Like this, you have to uninstall the unwanted applications from here. Then you will find startup in the last menu. Click on that and make sure you have disabled the unwanted applications to run in the background as a startup. For example, I don't use Cortana every time, so I will switch it off. So like this, you have to disable the applications which is not regularly using. So just disable them. So once you're done, close the window and restart your Windows operating system. That's it guys. This is how we can fix the disk 100% Windows 10 error in 3 to 4 simple steps. Hope this video helps you. If you found helpful, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon. Well, meet in the next video. Till then, bye bye.